Hey guys, it's Steven with Cool Balloon Twisting. In this video, we're going to be making a helicopter, okay? So you're going to need just 2 balloons, okay? I like to do my helicopters in dark blue, but you can do them any color you want. And then I like using white for the propellers. You could also use clear, so it looks like they're flying. But I like to use white, okay? So we're going to start with our blue, which is the main body of the helicopter. And deflate it so it's about a hand's finger tail. Alright. We're going to start off with 2 pinch twists. So we're going to make a small bubble and pinch twist that. So pull the knot and twist it. Like so. You're going to make another small little bubble, pull it over, pull it out, and twist it. Just like that. So you got 2 pinch twists. Alright, give that a squeeze. So now you're going to make about the like the back end of the helicopter. So I usually like to do a spread with the spread thumb, and then right there with the thumb ends is where I twist it. Alright. So now we're going to make another pinch twist. Just 1 pinch twist. That's going to be the top of your helicopter. Alright? Give it another squeeze. We're going to bring it down and make kind of like the letter D. Okay? Make kind of like the letter D. And you're going to twist this part into those 2 pinch twists. So they're going to kind of be sitting on the bottom like this. And a little bit, you can kind of straighten them so that they're like this. So you can do it like that now. So they're on every side. Like that. Okay? So now you're going to kind of take the rest of this piece. You're going to make I usually leave like a hand's length bubble. You're going to go ahead and twist that. Bring this down. Alright? And you're going to just make about a hand's finger flower petal and twist that. Okay? Now it's kind of a little wobbly, so if you can, go ahead and make a small bubble here. We're going to pinch twist that. Just going to have that sit straight. Arrange it so that the pinch twist is on one side, like this. And this is sticking out the other side, and this is going up and down. Okay. So this is what you should have so far. All right. So that's our main body. You can kind of shape this if you wanted to. And now we're going to take our white, so we'll put this down, and you're going to inflate this all the way. Perfect. And tie it. Alright, we're going to take this and tie it to the end. There we go. We're going to go ahead and just twist it in half. We're going to make this one just 2. Okay? Make sure that they're kind of about the same size. Alright. And we're going to just take this piece and push it into that pinch twist. Okay? Kind of twist it around the pinch twist gently. Alright? And the pinch twist is going to sit on top. Alright? I like to kind of like a triangle shape. Alright, so there is our helicopter. It really doesn't need any artwork. If you wanted to, you could add like a little artwork here to be like the people, but you don't have to. Just give it to them like this, and there you go. You got a helicopter. Alright? So if you like this design, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done it already, you can push the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified when I put out a new video. Okay? If you have any questions or feedback, you can leave them down in the comments down below. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!